Incremental readings. So we are in the basic level of Supermemo interface. We have seen all of that until FAQ. So now it's time for hints and tips. And we are back to the Supermemo help, not Supermemopedia. And here is super awesome because these are all of the details about each level. We're now in the beginner, in the basic level. So I have done an introduction video telling you, hey, we have this menu now. I can actually do it. That before we only had those four, right? User survey, welcome, question of the day, and about. And now we have all of those, from guide to context. Now covering hints and tips. But yeah, we also have some other here, copy collection, installation, something like that. If you want to know all of the precise details, you have it here in this page. Middle and professional is the last one. Something I will mention in that level, and I know because I already recorded that video, because I'm recording incrementally, is that statistics are only available on the professional level, for instance. So if you want to nitpick everything, here you have all of the details. I don't consider this necessary because what I'm introducing is just a selection of help most of the time, because all of the features that are introduced, we will see them in context, not for the sake, let's go by option in the menu, next option in the menu, next option in the menu. No, we're not going to do this. That's why I will go straight with professional level, even though this is the section of the course is the first running Supermemo for the first time, is because I massively, strongly suggest to go to professional right away. I actually did that myself as a user on the first day as well. So here you can know all of the details that are being hidden from you. That then, now that I'll use the middle, I can use that. But this will make sense if you use incremental reading, you work with images, and you want to trim an image, let's say, using the middle level. But this restriction doesn't make sense, because at the end of the day, Supermemo is not adapting the user interface at all, or the descriptions of what does the tooltip, the description. What is this feature doing? You have a tooltip description. That doesn't change. So it's just hiding stuff from you. But then it will be the handicap that, hey, what is this option? I see the video on this YouTube video. I see the menu on this YouTube video. I cannot see it myself. Yeah, because you're using the middle level, for instance. For business justified. So I'm using the levels just for those option details that are hard-coded. So you have to go there. There's no flow in Supermemo that will be leading you to there. So you can use hints and tips for knowing all of those details, if you will. And then some overview, very broad overview, very high level of incremental reading. And video even the most minimum thing possible. Remember, our hints and tips, it's not exhaustive. So it's not like a changelog that, hey, in this level you have unlocked all of that. It's from now on, this was hidden, now you can use it. It's not the same thing. So at the end of the day, if you follow this course, you will need to click here at all. Never in your life. That's all for now. See you incrementally.